Yes.
Meditation. Close your eyes. Keep your hands on your lap. Now, relax your body. Take deep breath. Hold. Release slowly. Continue the process 4 or 5 times. Now relax your mind. Avoid all thoughts. Try to see a light in between the eyebrows. Imagine you are so happy now. Enjoy for a while. Now, take deep breath. Release slowly. Open your eyes. Guru Vandanam.
Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtyam Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtyam Dundvadidam Gagana Sadrishyam Tattvamasyavilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalavajalam Sarvade Sakshibhudam Ekam Nityam Vimalavajalam Sarvade Sakshibhudam Bhavadidam Triguna-rahidam Sadgurundam Namami Bhavadidam Triguna-rahidam Sadgurundam Namami Anandaiva Vijayade Manaswastadevananda Manojaya Eva Mahajaya Ahimsaiva Paramo Dharmaha.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being and prosperity alone
lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning to one and all. The true purpose of education is to make minds, not careers. I repeat, the true purpose of education is to make minds, not careers. Today is November 14th. This day is celebrated as Children's Day every year in India. Children, the most beautiful creation of God, are synonymous to happiness, laughter, warmth, and positivity. They bring an adventure into our lives. They make us feel to revisit our childhood every now and then. This day is really going to be a memorable one for all of you and us too. May this day find an everlasting place in your hearts and be a treasured memory all through your life. Today we all are celebrating Deepavali too. Deepavali, the festival of light, symbolizes the victory of good over evil. It is a day to rejoice, regather, and rekindle the joyous moments of our lives. May this Deepavali bring with it all the happiness, prosperity, love, and kindness to each one of us. Today's birthday angels are Princey Angel and Shiny Angel. I request Principal Sir to hand over the card and sweets to them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear. Happy birthday to you.
So that's all for now. Have a sparkling Saturday. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. So first of all, let me wish you all Happy Children's Day. And of course, this day falls with Deepavali also this year. So it becomes more meaningful. I am really happy in this occasion to wish you all Children's Day. Since today we have organized the day into a very colorful manner. Because as you all know that in the beginning, Hemalata teacher said that childhood memories are making all elder people more happy, and it gives the memories of childhood. Those days inspires us to move forward. So childhood is so much very important and precious days in our life. So my dear children, you have to enjoy each and every seconds in your life. And of course, you may feel that these days you have a lot of restrictions from your parents' side, your teachers' side, and elders. Everybody give you some restrictions to maintain some discipline in your life. But that is only because that helps you for your fruitful growth. So my dear children, you just forget about those things and make your days very colorful, meaningful by enjoying with your friends, play in the ground, involve in many activities. And this is the time where what is there inside you will come out. It is embedded inside you. So those things can be brought out by providing you ample opportunity by schools and your parents and everyone in the society. My dear children, in our school, we normally make children how to think, not what to think. So basically, I think you all have understood how to think is very, very different than what to think. So teachers over here, they are giving you much opportunity to how to think. So Gurukulam is always with you all. So this day, you take ever memorable events from the school. All teachers and everybody is ready to celebrate with all of you. Once again, I wish you all Happy Children's Day as well as Happy Deepavali. Okay, thank you so much.